unique and personalized wedding favors. Ship your guests home with something they'll cherish for years with our unique series of personalized wedding favors. We've given notable wedding present thoughts for every subject matter and fashion of occasion in our carefully curated series of precise and customized wedding favors. With such an intensive choice of wedding ceremony present ideas for guests, precise features can seem tough to locate. However, don't fear. We make it clean to navigate through our large collection so you can locate the marriage favors that fantastically coordinate along with your theme. Save by means of types such as fit-to-be-eaten favors, flower vase and container favors, personalized gambling card favors, nautical-themed wedding favors, favor frames and lots greater. Favors to fit your theme. When it comes to favors that fit your wedding ceremony's theme, the sky is the restriction. Whether or not your wedding ceremony theme is conventional, industrial, rustic, fairy tale, seasonal or bohemian, our glamorous wedding ceremony favors will delight your visitors and deliver them lasting keepsakes. These modern and famous wedding visitor gift ideas cover extensive variety of subject matters. Whether or not you're retaining it easy at a country chic barn venue, invoking your Cinderella delusion or going for a seashore or nautical theme, wedding ceremony favors assist set the scene and hold the topic. Plenty of incredible wedding ceremony visitor present ideas to make your innovative vision on your dream birthday celebration come to lifestyles. Natural and vintage wedding guest gift ideas. Vintage stimulated wedding ceremony visitor gift ideas in our series encompass personalized mason jars and sweet jars, plus whimsical antique items like typewriters, bottle openers, antique books, antique keys and antique vases. Nature lovers need to check out our book, Butterfly, Plant and Animal Favors that complement out-of-doors weddings or casual events. Famous wedding ceremony favor selections consist of wedding guest gift thoughts that suit the season of your nuptials, whether or not it is something floral for the spring, summer seaside equipment for a nautical-themed wedding, autumnal rustic housewares or winter antlers and snowflake designs.